This is the most efficient auto unloader, and it's only made out of 3 materials. This auto unloader design is the perfect balance of simplicity and efficiency, so if you ever wanted to make a good auto unloader, without having to spend lots of time and effort, then this auto unloader is for you. So let's start with the materials. You will need 21 by 3 wedges. Then go in wood or us, and buy 8 straight conveyors and 8 tilted conveyors. You can also buy 1 wire and 1 button, but it's optional. So here's how to build it. Start off by placing all your conveyors leading into your sawmill. Then make a ramp out of wedges. And finally place all your tilted conveyors. Make sure that conveyors have the right direction. So if you decided to also have the button and wire for more comfort, then place the button here and connect it to your truck spawner with wire. So you have to drive up. I recommend driving backwards, then push the button, and all the wood will get into your sawmill. But if you don't have the wire and button, then just respawn your car normally. I make useful lumber tycoon videos, so make sure to subscribe not to miss one. So an auto unloader is a very cool base build, but to see other base builds watch this video.